Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shauna and I'm a homeschooling mama of 4 kids. If you are interested in everything motherhood and homeschooling related, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button below. I would love to share this journey with you guys. Also hit that little bell, it'll notify you when the baby is getting crazy. It'll notify you whenever I post a new video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But today I have something super awesome to tell you guys. It's gonna make your homeschooling life so much easier. Grab a cup of coffee and let's get to it. So if you're wondering how to make your homeschool easier, let me tell you, block scheduling and a routine for it is where it is at. So as I mentioned in my how to start homeschooling video, we recently moved, and previously we lived in Texas where we were only required to teach 4 subjects, and one of those subjects was good citizenship, which was, you know, bam, the Bible. But this current state, we're required to teach 5, and it's math, grammar, reading, social studies, and science. And on top of that, I do still like to do Bible study with the kids, and we try to do that every single day. So when we moved, I was feeling really overwhelmed. I was trying to think, how am I going to do that? Because in our previous state, we were teaching all 4 subjects 5 days a week. And some days, you know, it was hard to get in because we homeschool multiple kids. So I was trying to look for something easier. You guys, I'm sorry, the baby is playing with his musical toy and it's the only way I can get this done. So if it's loud in the background, I'm sorry, please stick with me. I promise this is gonna be good. So anyway, I was trying to think, how am I going to make my life easier? Because I want to make sure that I can pour into each child and not feel overwhelmed. So in comes block scheduling. Now, if you don't know what that is, it is where you do some subjects on, you know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then other subjects Thursday, Friday, or you can space it out differently. What we like to do is we do our Monday Fun Day, which is the bulk of the kids' extracurricular activities. It is music class, swim, co-op day. And then Tuesdays and Thursdays, we do math, science, and More Than Words. For those of you who don't know what More Than Words is, it's an amazing Bible study from Master Books. I will try to link it below because it is phenomenal, you guys. It has brought both of my kids, or 2 of my 4 children, to Jesus. And that is amazing. That is phenomenal. So Wednesdays and Fridays, we work in our language arts, More Than Words, and social studies assignments. Now, that has worked so amazing for us this year. It has blessed us in so many different ways, and we're only 7 weeks into, you know, the start of our school year. Now, one of the things that has been such a blessing in this area is it has allowed us to have a fun day. To, you know, traditionally, if you're, you know, used to the public school system, you go to school Monday through Friday. And that was kind of what we were doing in, you know, our homeschool journey last year. And a lot of the curriculum books, they have you scheduled for 5 days a week if you're following their calendar. And then, you know, this year I kind of wanted to do something different. You know, I saw a lot of people mentioning fun days, and I thought, how amazing is that? You get to, you know, just have a day off with your kids. It's not necessarily the weekend, but just something that you can grow in. You can do extracurriculars that day. You can do art that day. You can learn how to make certain recipes with your kids. Like, you can teach them just things that they're interested in that's not necessarily part of your curriculum. So that's why we added in music and swim, which we're super excited about. And doing block scheduling has afforded us the time to do that because it's just amazing. And the second reason why it is so amazing is you know, it's given us the opportunity to work ahead in a lot of our books, actually. You know, last week we were going through my son's language arts book, and we realized that he's 3 weeks ahead, ahead from when we started. So instead of being on week 6, he's on week 9. And then in math, instead of being on week 6, he's on week 10. Like, I don't even know how that happened. You know, we usually try to do 3 to 4 pages a day. So if the assignment only has 7 pages that week, and on the last day, Noah and Addie are filling up to completing an extra assignment, then we go into the following week. So somehow we've worked like 3 weeks ahead. That never happened last year. You know, it was always just like a struggle to kind of get through what we were doing. And I'm not going to say that that's for everybody, and I'm not even going to say that that's what's going to happen all year long. I mean, I'm sure that it's going to get to a point where, you know, instead of working ahead, we're just trying to maintain, because we are going to be getting, like in his math book, you know, we're going to be jumping into multiplication, we're going to be jumping into division, and these are completely new concepts for him. So I know that it's not going to be this easy all year long, but the fact that we've worked ahead so much does give me some hope. And I think that it's going to be really great, because it'll afford us the opportunity to take some additional breaks if we need it, or, you know, take some breaks from the book and then work in some supplemental assignments. So then that way, if he is struggling in an area, and we're still on the 34, 36 week, you know, schedule from the book, which is nice, because we do like to finish, you know, sometime in May and just kind of have the summer to take a break, relax, get excited for school again, and get all into the, you know, fun back to school planning. And lastly, the third blessing is it gives us more time to focus on the subject. So one of the things that I really have enjoyed about this is it's not a rush. It's not, okay, let's get math done so then we can jump into science, because we still have language arts to do, and after that we have social studies, and you know, when are we going to work in the Bible, and I still got to make dinner, and the baby's losing it, and I still have to school your sister. It's not any of that stress. It's peace. It's, you know what? You have worked for 30 minutes so far in math. We've knocked out, you know, 2 or 3 pages, and by the time we've gotten to the 3rd or the 4th page, you're like, oh, I'm not getting this. So we can take a break. We can come back to it. We can say, okay, what are you not understanding about this? And we can just try to find little ways to tweak it and, you know, just kind of explore that area a little bit more. So he really, like, we can really drive the point home, but not exhausting him, not stressing him out, not stressing Addie out. It's just, you know, refreshing. We don't have to just go. So if he needs a little bit of time to explore something, or if he's like, do you know what, I'm really liking this long subtraction, you know, can I do some more worksheets? Then I can print some worksheets out, you know, free from Google, and he can work on that, and he can just drive it home a little bit more. We also have some Splat math games that we can play. I'll link those below just in case you're interested in looking at them, but you know, those are pretty fun. So we have all of these different, you know, things that we can do in that time, because we're not having to jump around to different subjects, and that's been really nice. So if you're interested in making your homeschool day easier and just enriching it in your homeschool journey, then try out block scheduling. I promise it'll be a game changer. You will completely fall in love with it. If you're interested in trying it out, let me know in the comments. If you're already doing it, let me know that too. What kind of blessings have you found in it? I have completely fallen in love with this type of schedule. It works so well for us. And as always, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. I'll see you guys later. Bye.